Sawadika! Today we are going to do Cup Krapow. It's basically stir-fried tofu with basil leaves. It's a famous dish in Thailand. Usually it's done with chicken or fish. We are doing the vegetarian version of it. Come, let's look at the ingredients. What's the first ingredient over here, Kaka?
This one got tofu.
Tofu. How many tofu did we use? Two tofu. Okay, if you look at it, we have cut the tofu into small pieces. Okay, it's in cubes. We have coated it with corn flour and have deep fried it. Okay. Then what else do we have over here?
One onion.
One onion sliced. Okay.
3 chop of garlic.
Okay, 3 garlics have been chopped. Yes.
2 of chili padi.
Okay, bird's eye chili or chili padi we have sliced 2. Yes.
Little bit of white pepper.
White pepper. Yes. Then what sauce is that, Kaka?
This one 2 tablespoons of like soya sauce.
Okay.
And then half tablespoon of dark soya sauce.
Okay, so it's basically 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce and half tablespoon of dark soya sauce. And then we are going to add in the white pepper to it as well.
Yes.
Can we add it in right now? Okay, just a dash will do. Okay. And that is basil leaves. Okay, we bought the basil leaves about 2 to 3 days back in the market, so it's a bit wilted right now, but it still can be used. So we're going to do the dish. Come, let's look at the method. Okay, we have heated up some oil in a hot pan. Right now we're going to add in onions. A little bit of salt for the onions to cook. The onion smells good. This onion alone smells good. How will the dish be? A dish will be fantastic, right? Okay, the onions should get translucent. Okay, let the onions cook for a while. Onions have changed color. Now we're going to add in the garlic. At the same time, we're going to add in the chilies as well. Okay. You have to keep the fire in medium fire. Okay, medium fire is required. Give it a quick stir fry. Garlic can burn, so just make a quick stir will do. Right now we're going to add in the tofu. Sorry guys, the chili was too spicy for me, but what is Thai food without chili padi or bird's eye chili? Okay, give it a quick stir. Now we're going to add in the basil leaves. The basil leaves. Wow, smells so good. Just the leaves, you know, once you add it, it really gets the Thai flavor. Now let's add in the stir-fried sauces, which is 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of, half tablespoon of dark soya sauce. We add it in. Stir it well. Okay, I'm not going to add in any salt to this dish further because the sauces have all the salt content needed. Now we're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of water. And we are done. Everything within 2 minutes. All done. So now we just present the food and we'll show you the final photo.